AgCarolina's internship program stands out from those in the industry because we prioritize it. The learning and development team works with human resources in the recruiting phase. We involve our leadership team as we strategize the different projects that are going to be put on for the summer. That way we have things that are vital for our employees as well as our members.
Interns are able to be in branches in their local community, so they're able to be close to home, and it allows them to go ahead and start making those connections and start networking.
You just feel like you're an employee, you don't feel like an intern. You're a part of all the conversations, all the events that take place, and it's just really a great atmosphere.
It stands out because of the culture that is at the workplace. Personally, from the beginning, before I even got here, I was like, this has to be different because I received a welcome box. They actually put a little personal touch to a college student, what they may need up until then, before we get ready to start. And it was never where I felt like I was alone. So it was just all the personal touches that was within the internship process. And also everything that I didn't learn in the classroom, I learned through Farm Credit.
Interns work on real-world projects that benefit the members and employees of the association, and we do that in timelines that are representative of what a regular full-time employee would be tasked with.
One of the biggest perks is just getting out on the farms and seeing how the loan goes. You know, when you sit in the classroom all the time, you don't really get to see how exactly ag lending goes. So when you come here, you kind of get, the first step in the loan, the last step in the loan, everything in between. You get hands-on experience. So that's one of the biggest things that I've learned here so far, and it's one of the best aspects of being an intern here.
We also have opportunities where they can work with groups within our organization like IT or marketing or operations, where they can see all points of the business.
Here at AgCarolina, we're a big enough company that each person that's an employee becomes an expert in their own field, and the interns are able to sit with that expert and they're part of the lending process.
You get a real world viewpoint and truly see behind the scenes of what goes on, and there's nothing more valuable than that.
From the beginning, it was always all about you. How can you get to learn more things about our association, and also how can you take what you've learned back to your classmates or back to your community and promote agriculture? They help instill that in you, and also hope that you do see this as a future workplace and bring value back to it as well.
We've been really lucky throughout the history of our internship program to get highly qualified and very talented people to walk in the door. And that's what we want. We want talented people to do talented things.